My name is Marc Scibilia. I'm the Director of Safety Maintenance and Shop Operations for Adika Trucking and ADICA Fleet Services out of Taylor, Michigan. Right now we currently run about 100 to 125 power units and about 180 trailers. We put it in the field and eventually rolled it out to all of our trucks. I want to say it's been in our fleet now for about 4 or 5 years. It took a lot of the wear and tear out of the driveline, I feel, because there wasn't continuous airing and exhausting of the airbags, being that it talks to the ECM or listens to the ECM. It's a more smooth ride, better tire wear, and all around the drivers seem to like it better. If somebody drops the trailer too high, they no longer have to go out there and try to crank the dollies and maybe affect their back. With the SmartValve, it was really nice where they can hyperextend the bags enough to get it off the ground so they can then manually retract the landing gears. It takes the guesswork out of ride height. It takes the guesswork out of what's going on with the suspension. I mean, it controls everything. And from the technicians, we see very little driveline failure. When you ask them about it, they said they noticed a difference. It's all about driver retention, driver safety, driver comfort, and I think that your product covers all those bases, and that's what we liked about it. All around, it's hands-off. Every truck we order going forward is going to be spec'd with the SmartValve. I would recommend this to other fleets. Everybody would benefit from this.